You're watching Eatons Hill Pharmacy TV.
Health Screen Complete is our most comprehensive health screening service we have. We take a number of measurements to compile a report that gives you an indication of your overall health. The process itself takes approximately 10 to 15 minutes, with a further 5 minutes to compile the report. It is a free service, no swiping of your Medicare card, just a great preventative health initiative we provide at Eatons Hill Pharmacy. The first step involves taking the customer's blood pressure. The ideal blood pressure is 120/80. High blood pressure is often called the silent killer because you often show no symptoms. The only way to find out is to have it tested. Generally speaking, blood pressure that is consistently equal to or greater than 140/90 is a cause for concern, particularly if there are other risk factors involved. Blood pressure is expressed with two numbers. The first, systolic, is the force your blood puts on the blood vessel walls as your heart pumps. The second is the diastolic pressure, and is the force your blood puts on blood vessel walls when your heart is resting between beats. The second test we take is your blood sugar levels. Type 2 diabetes is a lifestyle-related disease and can often be prevented. It is the most common form of diabetes. There are a host of health issues associated with uncontrolled diabetes. There are typically two ways we measure blood sugar. Fasting blood sugar levels require you to fast for around 8 hours. The ideal result based on this measurement is between 3 and 5.4 millimoles per litre. The test we take is typically random, with ideal results being between 3 and 7.7 millimoles per litre. When we test your glucose levels, we take a small sample of blood to measure the amount of sugar in your blood, place it on a test strip, and insert it into a meter to give us the result. A high result does not necessarily mean you have diabetes. However, this service can certainly give you an indication of your blood sugar level and risk. The third test we perform is a cholesterol test. This also requires a small sample of blood that is placed onto a specialized test strip and inserted into the meter. We use the AccuTrend Plus meter kit. It is a very effective way of screening for high cholesterol. What we test for is your total cholesterol levels. Ideally, this should be below 5.5 millimoles per litre. While a result higher than this does not necessarily mean you have chronic high cholesterol, it is certainly an indication that you should see your doctor for a full blood analysis. Too much cholesterol circulating in our bloodstream leads to fatty deposits developing in the arteries. This causes the blood vessels to narrow and they can eventually become blocked. This can lead to heart disease and stroke. Finally, we test your waist circumference and body mass index. A waist measurement of greater than 94 centimeters for men or 80 centimeters for women is an indicator of internal fat deposits, which can coat the heart, kidneys, liver, and pancreas, and increase the risk of chronic disease. The use of BMI is a convenient way for you to assess whether your weight is in the healthy range. Overweight is measured at over 25 or more, with obesity determined at 30 or more. There are exceptions to this rule, and we will discuss these with you. You can book your free health screen complete in-store, via phone, or online via our website, eatonshillpharmacy.com.au, on the homepage. We also offer blood sugar levels and cholesterol screening as individual services. These require booking also and can be done the same way as Health Screen Complete.